Investing in innovation is critical for transit agencies to better meet rider expectations and adapt to changes in our transportation system, especially during the COVID-19 public health emergency. As the transit industry recovers, we see an opportunity for investment in technology and innovations that make transit safer and easier to use. Investments in microtransit, multimodal travel options, and integrated payment systems that are automated and contactless have become critical during this public health emergency. Transportation Secretary Elaine Chao has made innovation one of her top priorities, and FTA recently announced $14 million in funding for 25 projects under the new Accelerating Innovative Mobility Program known as AIM. These grants help transit agencies across America advance new technologies that provide safer and more efficient service and enhance the rider experience, leading to better mobility. The AIM initiative expands the field of available innovations to improve the safety of frontline workers, riders, and maintenance personnel. For example, the Oregon Department of Transportation will receive nearly $500,000 to build a web-based national data repository to collect real-time transit data, which will inform local, state, and federal planners' investment decisions and enhance research and development in transit innovation. Houston Metro will receive $1.5 million for an automated electric shuttle bus to serve 2 area universities and Houston's 3rd Ward community, connecting with Metro bus and light rail lines. And the Regional Transportation District in Denver will receive $687,000 to create a regional transit app that riders can use for RTD's rail and bus systems, as well as intercity bus service and microtransit service. The multimodal platform will allow riders to plan and pay for trips across transit systems and modes with just a few clicks, offering an easy, seamless single point for planning and payment. As we continue to see new opportunities for technology to improve transit safety, innovation will take center stage, and our support through AIM will play a vital role in driving innovation as the nation continues its economic recovery.